In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view images in Google Drive. Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing and sharing files, but sometimes the simplest tasks can require a bit of guidance, especially if you're new to the platform. So whether you're a beginner looking to get started or someone needing a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process of viewing images in Google Drive step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. Open your web browser and search for Google Drive. Once you've found it, click on the link to open Google Drive. When you arrive at the Google Drive homepage, you might be prompted to sign in if you're not already logged in. Use your Google account credentials to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Google Drive interface, which might include folders, files, and several documents you have stored in the cloud service. Now, let's move on to finding the image you wish to view. If you know the image's location, navigate directly to that folder. Otherwise, you can utilize the search bar at the top to quickly find your image file by entering keywords or file names related to it. Google Drive's search capabilities are quite robust, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've located your image file, click on it once to highlight it. This action will also prompt the display of several file options in the toolbar, such as sharing, deleting, and more. But today we're focusing simply on viewing the image. With the image highlighted, look at the toolbar on the top of your screen, and you'll find the preview option, often represented by an eye icon. Now simply click on this icon to open your image in a larger view without cluttering your screen with unnecessary menus or options. However, if you prefer, you can also double-click directly on the image file, and it will automatically open in a new window that enlarges the image for a clearer view. Either method you choose will allow you to see the image at its full resolution, giving you a better understanding of its content. Remember, once viewing your image, you can also zoom in and out using the plus and minus icons on the upper part of the screen. This is especially useful for high-resolution or detailed images that you need to examine closely. Additionally, if you want to cycle through several images stored in the same folder, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard, allowing for a seamless viewing experience without leaving the full-screen view mode. And there you have it. Viewing images in Google Drive is straightforward once you know your way around. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently manage and view your images anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks on using Google Drive